Welcome in my channel Digital World. In today's video, we learn about Python Numpy library. So create new file, click on new, select Python 3, rename this file Python Numpy. Give heading Python Numpy. Select Markdown. First we'll see what is Numpy and why it is used. So it is a library of a Python that deals with numbers. Second, it performs multiple numerical operations on arrays. Numpy is an abbreviation for numerical library in Python. First, we should import Numpy library whenever we have to write function. So these are the basic terms that we have to know about Numpy. Select Markdown. So the first one is how to import Numpy library. Yes, so simply write import Numpy as NP. So in this way, first import Numpy library. For example, we'll see few examples. So the first example is we have to take list, and that list we have to convert in terms of array. So the first one is list to array conversion. Select as Markdown. So take one list, that is list 1. We are taking few numbers. There are total 5 numbers are there. We have to convert this in terms of array. So write one variable array is equal to np is variable we are taking here. Import numpy as np. So np dot we have to write array into the name, variable name is list1. So type here list1 and then press enter. Right, so here first we are taking list, that is numbers written in the square bracket, and this list we have to convert in terms of array. So here is np dot array. This is very important syntax, and inside the bracket write the variable name. Now we have to print this array. Write here array. So this is your array. So array of bracket 1 2 3 4 5. If you want to check the type of this array, then we can write type into bracket array. So numpy dot nd array, this is a type of array. Similarly, if you want to go for any other conversions, that is tuple to array conversion, then this is also possible. The next one is we have to check one more example, that is example 2, assign data type to an array. So this is our second example. Select as a markdown. Take one array. Array is equal to, we are taking how to declare array. Array is declared with np dot array. Into bracket we are taking few numbers. For example 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Right. So this is our array. Now we have to take data type. So comma d type is equal to, we are taking those d type as a float. Right. Now press enter and just write, we have to display that array. So here we can say our original array, it is in integer form 10, 20, 30, 40, and I want d type conversion from integer to float. So outputs are declared here in 10 dot something, 30 dot something. So this is a float conversion. Similarly, suppose we have same thing, that is this is our array and I want to check this array in terms of string. So simply write string. So what are the array? Integer array. That integer array is converted in terms of string. Similarly, we can represent in terms of complex, or we can represent in the same integer form. Just take one example again, example 3, that how to find out dimensions of the array. So check dimension of array. Right. So first one is, we are taking one array. So right here array is equal to np dot array into bracket, we are taking one small value 2.3. right. We have to display same array, then we can write this is array. So this array is declared, that is array of 2.3. Now we have to find out dimensions. Write down array dot dim, array dot dim and enter. Right. So here whenever we want to go for array dot dim, then ndim, then we can see dimensions of respective array should be 0. So the function used is array dot ndim dimensions. Similarly, take one more example. We have to copy same thing here. Array is equal to np dot array. Right. So we have to represent same number, but here we have to write square bracket. Right. And we have to check the same function. How many brackets are there? There is single bracket is there. So whenever we want to print dimensions of this, we can write here array dot ndim and then enter. So here dimensions, here one dimension array is there and the same thing is not written in the square bracket, so dimension will be 0. Right. So here most probably we have to count number of brackets. Now same example we have to take for another dimensions. Okay. So if you want to put here double bracket, right, and then go for the same thing. So find out array dot ndim. So here is a two-dimensional array. So in this way we have to go for different array dimensions. Now take one more example about dimensions, then we can check here. We will change values. So this is two-dimensional array. For example, we are taking multiple values. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here we are taking 8. So whenever we want to display array as well as its dimensions, first we can write array comma, then we can write array dot ndim and then press enter. So it shows that the first part is our respective array, and the second part is dimensions. So this is the two-dimensional array. Now the next one, we have to go for one more example here, right? So here we can go for the first one is, we are taking the first bracket, this is of 2 3 4. Next bracket we are taking 1 2 comma 3, then again we are taking 10 20 and 30. For this we have to check dimensions, right? So the first one is, this is first row, this is 2 3 4, second row 1 2 3, and third row, that is of 10 20 30, right? This is also two-dimensional array, so dimension of the array is declared over here, right? So in this way we have to know that how to go for different dimensions and how to verify dimensions of the array. So in this video we learn about how to use Numpy, right? So it is a numerical Python library. It is always declared with respect to array function. First we have to import Numpy library. These are different examples are there how to convert list into array. Similarly we have to see that how to assign data types to the array. Next one is how to check dimensions of the array. So in this way we have to learn about Numpy arrays. Thank you.